Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable on-screen magnifier on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. This device has two different magnifier options. The first one is the full screen magnifier, which we can enable by pressing Ctrl Search and M buttons simultaneously. Then just choose to keep it on. And if you want to disable your magnifier, just press this combination once again, Ctrl Search M. And we also have a docked magnifier. In order to enable it, use Ctrl Search D and click continue. And this will open a magnifier that looks like this. So it's only magnifier specific area of your screen and shows you bigger version in the top on top side of your screen. To disable it, once again press Ctrl Search D. Besides, we can also access this magnifier settings by going to Control Center, clicking gear icon, then go into accessibility settings, and here you have to select display and magnification, and here we can enable the full screen magnifier and adjust the additional settings for it, and also the docked magnifier, which also has some additional settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.